What's up, ladies and gents? In today's world, which constantly screams for our attention, with all sorts of stresses around, it is very difficult to find a moment of peace and quiet. To be at one with your body and your thoughts without any external interference. We often get overwhelmed even by our own thoughts. It isn't uncommon to have a constant state of monkey mind, meaning we can't really give something our full attention and focus. In today's video, I will run you through a very short and simple meditation exercise that you can do every day to become a little bit more aware of the mind clutter, be at one with your body and your mind, and be present with what matters the most, which is the here and now. Now, this isn't going to be a magic pill that will solve all your problems. As with anything, it will take dedication, patience, and consistency. But I can promise you, if you stick with this habit, it will have a profound effect on how you interact with other people and how you feel in your day-to-day life. So without further ado, let's make it happen. So the first thing, you want to find a peaceful and quiet spot in your house, somewhere where you can sit down and you won't get disturbed. You can focus on doing this exercise. If you feel like having a pillow under your bum or whatever, you can sit on a chair, you can sit on the floor, and just simply get yourself comfortable. Start becoming aware of your surroundings. You don't have to focus on a specific thing, just become aware. You don't move around your head or find out what's around, just sit there and focus on what's in front of you. Start taking deep breaths through your nose, so breathing in through your nose and then breathing out through your mouth. So with your next out breath, you just want to close your eyes. And now continue breathing, but now breathe through your nose only. So breathe in through your nose and out of your nose. And breathe naturally, don't force the breath. And become aware of any points of contact of your body with the floor, your hands on your legs. Just become aware of them. And any noises that are around, outside or inside of your house. You don't have to identify them, you don't have to focus on them, just become aware of them. We now go back to your body, so just becoming aware of your general feeling of your body, of your emotions, how you're feeling today. And don't judge yourself, just become aware of it with a neutral mind. Now if you want to just start scanning down your body, so starting with the top of your head, all the way down to your toes, each body part individually, just becoming aware of each body part. So your head, and going down, all the way to your toes. How do each of your body parts feel? Is there any tension? Are you feeling relaxed? Again, don't judge yourself, just become aware of it. And remember to just continue breathing naturally through your nose. Now, if you just want to think about the intention for this exercise, why are you doing this? How is it going to affect you? How is it going to affect the people around you? And now shift your focus to your breath. So the rising and falling sensation of your breath, whether it's in your chest or your belly. Just breathing naturally. If your mind wanders with any thought, just become aware of it, acknowledge the thought. Don't judge or identify it. Just come back to the breathing sensation. If it makes it any easier, if you just want to count the breaths, so 1, breathing in, 2, breathing out, and just count all the way to 10 and repeat again from 1. Now again, if you have any thought, if your mind wanders, just become aware of it, don't judge, come back to the breath, and start again from 1. Now if you just want to let your mind be free, if it wants to think, let it think. If it wants to be empty and focused on the present moment, let it be focused on the present moment. Don't force it to do anything, just let it be free. Now if you start becoming aware of any noises around you, inside and outside of your house, becoming aware of the points of contact of your body with the floor, with the chair, your hands on your legs. And whenever you're ready, if you just want to take a moment and open up your eyes. And now don't move, just become aware of your surroundings. Again, adjust your eyes to the light and think about the exercise. How was it for you? Was there anything that made it difficult? Was it comfortable? when you're ready, if you just want to stretch out a little bit, stretch your body. Just a simple, any stretch you want. And that's done. You can do this exercise ideally every day. You can do it a couple times a day if you have the time. And there's no need to do it for this short an amount of time. You can do it for longer, you can do it for shorter as well. You can do a very quick scan down your body if, let's say, you only have a minute. And there is no reason why you can't do it outside or when you're on the train to work, as long as you're not the driver, of course. And just, yes, becoming aware of the present, becoming aware of your thoughts. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was something different. And if you have enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up. If you want to share your experience of maybe it was your first time meditating, feel free to just leave a comment below. If there are any things you tend to do during your meditation that I haven't mentioned, if you want to leave a comment below as well. And if you're enjoying these videos, please subscribe to my channel. It will really, really make me happy. And other than that, I will see you next week with another video. Peace and love.